Welcome back. In this part we'll be looking at using Booleans to report errors. A Boolean is a built-in type that can either be true or false. It is very often used to determine whether something has succeeded or not. In this example we return true if the file was read successfully and false otherwise. The main advantage of this approach is that it is very simple to implement and understand. It is also well supported in every C++ standard. The drawback is that we cannot distinguish between different errors. This may be okay under certain circumstances if, for example, there is only one kind of errors. Moreover, we need to pass the contents of the file as an out parameter. As a result, the caller cannot handle it as a constant. To make matters worse, there's nothing stopping the caller from accidentally accessing the contents of the file if an error has occurred. The content variable is not protected in any way. Here is a more complete example of the use case as well as the issues that arise. Content needs to be passed as a parameter and therefore it cannot be a constant. At the same time, it can be accessed even if an error has occurred, which may lead to bugs. Finally, we cannot distinguish between different errors. In this video, we looked at using Booleans to report errors. We need to pass the contents of the file as a parameter, which is not ideal, and the Boolean will not be sufficient if there are multiple kinds of errors. The main advantage is the usage of the built-in Boolean type, but not much more.